In this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to the settings on your phone like this, click on the settings page and you will find many options. Go to apps manager like this, go to the top, click on apps again, and this time go to the Instagram. From here, search for it between all the apps that you have on your phone and then click on it. And after you click on it, it will take you here. Now all what you have to do is simple, just go to the power usage details right here and make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled like this. Then go back and go to the storage and now click on clear data and clear cache, and after that click on the force stop option here in the top corner and restart your phone, then reopen Instagram and it will work. If it's not, then go to the Play Store and search for Instagram like this and check if there is a new update like me here and click on it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.